This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the clip already in Capcut. Import and place it on the timeline, then duplicate the track as a safety copy. Next, make sure your project frame rate matches the recording. Set 60 or 120 FPS when available so motion retains smoothness. Trim to the exact segment you plan to slow. That reduces processing and keeps you focused. Once done, tap the clip to open editing options and get ready to apply speed controls and optical flow smoothing. With the clip selected, open speed and choose normal to pick a precise rate, 0, 5, 0, 25 or a custom percentage, because exact values avoid uneven pacing. Then switch on optical flow or frame interpolation. This generates intermediate frames to smooth motion instead of choppy frame repeats. If your footage still looks stylized, add subtle motion blur or enable frame blending to disguise artifacts. Make sure to preview in real time and tweak the interpolation strength until the movement looks natural. Now preview the full slowed segment and refine with speed keyframes so acceleration and deceleration feel intentional. Small timing tweaks fix jerky beats. When satisfied, export using the project's frame rate and a high bitrate to avoid recompression artifacts that ruin smoothness. If you still see ghosting or stutters, switch interpolation methods, reduce extreme slowdowns, or reconform to a higher frame rate source if possible. One last troubleshooting tip. If optical flow introduces
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.